one takes up the USB energy so that sometimes it just makes this writing pad. Can. I mean,
use your earphone to record the
this
voice.
is a microphone plus the microphone.
Oh.
So I don't use this microphone. If I use this microphone, right, the energy, the energy level here is not enough to drive this together, I guess. Okay, never mind. So I think now it's good. So this is the map to real life questions, right? So it says 5 cm on the map is to it's very funny. Is to okay, good. It's to 6 kilometer. Okay. So real life, I think you know which one is map, which one is real life lah, huh? Then after that, this is 1 cm to 1.2 kilometer.
Yes.
If I express it in cm to kilometer,
Yes.
and this is not used for part A yet, because part A wants 1 to R,
Yes.
right? 1 to R means they want cm to cm. So this is basically cm to cm. But like I say, ratio has no unit, so you don't have to write down the unit. So you have to convert. So 1 cm is 1 already, no need. But you have to convert this to cm.
Yeah.
Okay?
So it's 12 with 4 zeros.
So it's 12
with 4 zeros.
Yep. So first you convert by times 1000 to get your meter first. Right?
Yes.
So just use a calculator, you will get 1200. Then you convert this to cm, which is times 100, right? So 1, 2, 3. So it should be, yep. So it's 12 and then 40. So this is your part A answer. Okay. Then next, okay. Next is they ask two houses is 5.4 kilometer and then find in cm on the map. So which one I pick and I should use?
The 1.2.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Just write it down. 1 cm is to 1.2 kilometer. And over here they say it's 5.4 kilometer apart, right?
Yes.
So you just ask yourself, what is the factor here?
Times 4.5.
Oh, 4.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's times 4.5, right? So similarly, your this also must times 4.5.
Yes.
So you get 4.5 cm.
Yes.
Okay, so the answer is 4.5 cm. Okay. So how do you get 4.5? 4.5, yes. So you just take 5.4, which is bigger. You divide by 1.2.
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, they ask for part C, which is 7 cm square to something kilometer square, right?
Yes.
So clearly this is area, right? So to get area, you need to use the distance ratio and you square. So this is the distance ratio. And you square the distance ratio and you will get the area ratio, right? So let me just bring it down. You can use dot dot. Dot dot means 2. Okay, so this is your distance ratio, or I like to call it the length ratio. Then you square it. Okay, then square it, square everything. So it's 1 square, cm square, dot dot 1.2 square, kilometer square. Okay, so just simplify it further. 1.44. Thanks. Okay, and then now you have 7 cm square, right? And they ask what's the question mark here, right?
So it's 10.0.
Yep, so you ask yourself, over here you times 7, right? Yeah. So over here you times 7. So 1.44 times 7 is 10.08 kilometers square. Very good. So that's how you practice part A, B, and C.
Yes.
Okay, so what if they ask you one more question? They say, if the area is 10 meters square, so what is the map area? What's the map area? How do you do this? How do you do this question? Can you try it out? How do you do this question?
Okay. Mm. No, I just make it 1 meter first, so it's times 100 cm.
I think your way of doing things it should be quite complicated. The simplest way is this. 1 cm is to how much?
Is to 1.2.
Yep, 1 cm to 1.2 kilometer, right?
Yeah.
Over here means they want. So the question basically asks you, I want cm square to meter square,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You need to know what the question wants. So I need cm square to meter square. So does it make sense for you to get it into 1 cm to meter first?
Yes.
Which is 1, 2. Actually, you already have it here, right? Right?
Oh, wait, I read the question.
So never mind. Next. Then you square everything. I don't know why you read the question wrongly. How do you interpret this question, by the way? If you tell me you read the question wrongly.
I thought the 10 meter square is on the map.
How can it be on the map? Okay, it can be, but what is the map area? Okay, anyway. So, okay. So where you put the 10 meter square? I square everything already.
Yes. So you put it under 1,200 meters square.
Yes. So by the way, which one is bigger?
The 12.
Yep. So how do you get it from above to below? Just use your calculator. So you divide by something, right?
Yes.
Yeah, which is
130.
you divide by
130.
what? This one? Divide by this one.
Yeah, it's 1,200 divided by 10.
100. Wait. 1200 square.
Oh.
Are you looking at this? Can you see the square above? I boxed the square also, right? Did I box the 1200 square or I boxed just 1200?
1,200 square.
Exactly. Then you just. So what is the conversion? What is the factor?
1400.
Yeah. So this side also.
Double 4. Double 4, double 0.
Okay. Okay. So therefore this side also you need to divide by 1 double 4 double 0, which is it's okay if it's not a nice number, you just express it in fraction. Which is
1
this.
over
Yep.
1440.
Yep. Okay. So that's how you get part D. Okay. Very simple. Right? So it just depends whether they want cm to meter or cm square to meter square or whatever. Right?